you a baby?
No.
You're my baby.
I'm a baby girl.
You're my baby girl.
You always say that.
Yeah, I always say it because that's true. You're my sweet baby girl. You know you're going to school tomorrow. Are you excited? Why? Why are you excited?
Because
Because what? They can't hear you.
I said I can't wait for my new friend named Shegu.
You can't wait to see your friend Shegu.
Yes, that's all I was talking about.
You always talk about Shegu. You want to see your friend.
And he's always saying good morning, ma.
I got this hair for 2,000 naira. And like I love the curls. I didn't like it at first, but I love the curls. There's this thing the lady I bought it from gave me to be applying on it. So I'm going to just be showing you guys. And that's what has been keeping the hair really refreshed, like really bouncy. You know, this 2,000 naira hair, most times they start looking like sponge, but you can see it's really like, it's not like spongy, like too spongy. That's if it will look like human hair, but at least the thing that she gave me, whatever she gave me, is making it like really nice. So this is what she gave me. It's Angeli soy organic olive oil, braid marinade, unravels braid fast, and it softens and detangles, and it really detangles. Like these kids want to use phone. Hey, Chineke, like it's so funny, but it's not funny. I can remember growing up, I got my first phone after I left secondary school, guys. I got my first phone. My kids always want to hold my phone. Like I had to put a rule that you cannot touch my phone. Like, because Gina practically carries my phone and she's pressing my phone like it's a phone. Like she goes to my phone, you see her just doing like this. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like, she's playing game with my phone and she'll be doing like you are killing her. Like, why are you not allowing her touch the phone? Which is really annoying, which I had to now stop, because at first it was like, she'll be small picking, she's small picking. My dear, phone picking only for dictionary. First she would just form a habit of pressing phone, so I had to stop that. Let me tell you, I have this nose problem where I'm always sneezing. Like like at a time I can sneeze up to 10 times whenever I'm in a dusty area, or I just open my wardrobe, or I just like I can't fold clothes. If I fold clothes, like I know I'm about to faint, because I'll sneeze and sneeze and sneeze, and it affects my brain, in my mind, and it affects my nose. Like I'm always itching my nose. I've gone to the hospital, they've prescribed. At the point, doctor told me that nothing can be done, I should just leave it. I should just try to avoid all the things that triggers it, which are like AC. See, right now it's not even about the dust, the whatever they've been talking about. Now if I even think about it, it starts happening, and it's really annoying. And it doesn't, most times it doesn't allow me to do most of the things I want to do. Like it just slows me down, because I'm like, it really affects me that to even sweep, I have to think about it. Like I have to really think about it. And I feel like it's childbirth that caused it. But somebody told me, a doctor also told me, that it's just this, you know, this if you live in Abuja, you already know about the wall, the swelling on the wall, those things, that part of it, moisture on the wall, part of it is because it didn't happen to me in Port Harcourt, and we never had those type of things in my house in Port Harcourt. So since I moved to Abuja, we still having, you see, swells on the wall and all. And the doctor was like, it may be that may also be another thing that caused it, that started it, and all. Good morning. So today is Saturday, election day. So I'm trying to make something light for my hobby, because it's actually going out to vote. So I'm trying to make something he'll take along with him. I'm really sleepy. You can tell from my eyes. I'm really sleepy. So I'm just going to take you guys along my day.
so long.
Gina is awake. This is 5:39.
Huh?
Gina is awake, but she actually wakes up before Ife most of the time, right?
Yeah, I'll go before Ife.
Yeah.
I'm always tired.
Sorry.
I'm always sleeping and sleeping and waking up. When I see mom is always coming up from my room, I just wake up.
Okay.
Tea. Excuse me.
That people have told me like about like my life. People have told me, people have advised me on how to live my life, how to be me. Like, you know, when people see you and they're telling you this is what is best for you. So let me just teach the guys. So there's one video I did which I took down because it didn't really, later like I started feeling bad about the video where I just talked about like things that have been happening, real life things that have been happening when it comes to my channel. I was like, people were really watching my videos and all. And I can remember someone that I know personally telling me that I have to be a certain way, I have to be this. Like, she was like, I post videos, makeup videos, and the makeup are like just there, nothing special. What she was basically saying, that should be fake, I shouldn't be really showing like real things. And I get that kind of talk a lot, where people always like me being real. Someone is sending me a DM or sending me a message telling me no, you shouldn't be doing this, you should portray this, you should portray that and all. And I'm like, the aim of my channel basically was just, the first thing that I thought about when I wanted to have this channel was my diary, like being me, really living my best life, living life how I know it, being Njideka, being Deka, not being anyone else. And people just come to my channel, people see me and they're like advising me, even in real life, like, you know how, okay, like the way I package myself, the way I carry myself. Why some people are there telling me, ha, Deka, you're too dope, you're tech, you're good, you know how to dress, you know how to carry yourself, 2 kids and you still look good, you still look fly. My dear people, some people are there telling me, Deka, take it easy, you don't know you're a married woman, you don't know you're a mom, you don't know you're this, you don't know you're this. When it comes to my kids, I know a lot of people that have 1,000,001 advice for me about my kids. Like, you see people that say rubbish, that tell you, take it easy now, tell your child daughter take it easy, like she's too loud, and you're like, please, like, it's my child, I know what's best for my child. I'm not going to stop my child from being herself because you feel like it's not good enough for you. If you want to hold your child, like cage your child, I'm not going to come and put him out. The only time I will put him out if I see you beating your child like mercilessly, that's when I will put him out. But if you like, tell your child not to stand up, tell your child not to sit down, tell your child not to sing, tell your child not to jump, please don't come and tell me how to run my child. Like, don't come and tell me how to train my children. You can just, like, please keep it to yourself. Because for me, I think before I do things, I think before I allow things I will not tolerate from someone normally, I don't allow my kids to do it. If I feel like, for me, you know, and when you have children, things change, your opinions about life change, your thinking changes, and someone coming to come and now start talking rubbish is really, and I feel like people should just mind their business. See, 2019 is a mind your business year, where when you see some things, just overlook, jump and pass, just act like you're not seeing it, like close your eyes. If it's paining you, like, log out. If it's paining you, log out of Instagram, log out of Facebook, log out of whatever you are seeing it in on WhatsApp, log out. Because see, you being there, to be dragging you to go and start looking. So just log out. When you log out, forget your pin, forget your password. Like, stop intruding in people's lives. This is 2019. This is the year of making money. This is the year of greatness, moving forward, thinking about better things to do. Stop thinking about how to see, like, somebody now will see this my hair I bought 2K and I come and start telling me, take it easy, go and buy better hair, go and buy big hair, so that you'll be looking fly, so that you'll be portraying what I don't know. My dear, this is me. Like, if I want to wear this kind of hair, it's not your business. If I want to wear hair of 200K, it's not your business. Don't come and tell me how to, don't advise me. Like, when you want to advise me on how to make money. Don't tell me like I shouldn't be me. Look at me now. Like, with this hair, even with this hair 2K, I still look fly, and someone will still come and tell me, it's cheaper, go and use hair of 500,000 so that people on YouTube. Are you kidding me? Like, it's not that serious, guys. It's not that serious. I just felt like ranting.